Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMI. So this is Thursday right now when I'm recording the video, and let's see how today's candle ends up. So weekly, we are still above the EMI, super high trend. Okay, super strong uptrend, but we are now near the EMI. Okay, so this is your new high. Okay, so this is still uptrend. Some people might be thinking this is the sideways market. No, man, this is still uptrend, created a new high, and then we have rejected this low. So if you use your line, this low is rejected as of now. Okay, as of now, when I'm seeing this low or these two lows were not broken. We got rejection, then bounce off. Okay, so we are still above the EMI. Now if you go down or up, I will tell. But coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour we are below the EMI. But again, I think this is only the pullback. So you see, this was your long uptrend. So we have to take a pullback, and then go up. Okay, probably. So coming back to daily chart again here, I am not going down until the red candle closes below the EMI. Okay. So as long the price is moving above the EMI, rejecting it, and then just consolidating, I'm still looking for longs. But if the candle closes below the EMA in daily chart in Euro USD, then you can plan your shorts. Okay, so this could be the downtrend, pullback, and then new low. But again, as long the price moves above the EMI, look for longs only, or just don't look for anything until you have a breakout. And for example, if another blue candle comes and eats this previous red candle, then that's your long entry. If the red candle closes below the EMA, that's your short entry. So that's it for free. Subscribe, like blah blah blah. We discussed everything in the beginning. Check out these links in the in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.